I'm Laura Mather, founder of SilverTail Systems. The SilverTail team has fought fraud for PayPal, eBay, and Google. We understand the complex fraud problems your banks face today. At past Finovates, you've seen how we protect online banks from cyber threats. Our forensics product, which you see here, monitors website sessions and uses behavior analytics to detect emerging threats. Our mitigation product allows your fraud analysts to write business rules and divert bad behavior in real time. Our products monitor website sessions for over 11 million online banking customers, including those at ING Direct, and have saved banks millions of dollars. Today, I'm going to show you our newest service, Federation, and I'm going to do that by telling you a story. The story involves a real person. His name is Daniel Huggins. Daniel's been out of work for a while, and he was contacted by a group who told him that they want him to process donations for the victims of the Haiti earthquake. They're going to transfer the donations into his account. He'll transfer them to a processing center, and they'll get distributed to the victims of the earthquake. As you may have guessed, this group is actually criminals. They're going to steal money out of innocent victims' accounts, transfer the money into Daniel's account, and have Daniel transfer the money out of the country. They do this because your banks see Daniel transferring money out of the country as less suspicious than the criminals opening a new bank account and using that to transfer the money out of the country. So Daniel banks at Acme Bank, and Acme Bank is protected by SilverTail Systems' forensics product. Now, Daniel's been working with the criminals for a while, so let's look at what one of Daniel's web sessions looks like. This is the clickstream of Daniel's web session, and there's a lot of information here, so let's walk through it. You can see where Daniel logged in. He went to his account overview page and noticed that the criminals had deposited money into his account. Because the money was there, he started to transfer the money out. Now, forensics monitors all the website sessions and shows the clickstream to the fraud analyst, but the beauty is it also shows additional information. For example, the fraud analyst can see that Daniel was transferring the money to Dilbert's favorite country, Albonia. Now, after Daniel tries to submit his transfer, Acme Bank requires him to confirm his address. And so here you can see where he's being prompted to confirm his address. And again, the fraud analyst can look and see exactly what his address is, 123 Main Street. Then this row shows that the transfer went through. It's successful. In this case, the money isn't being stolen out of Daniel's account. Daniel is willingly transferring the money out of the country because he thinks he's a money manager for a work-from-home charity. The people who allow criminals to transfer money into their account and then transfer that money out of the country are called money mules. Criminals use money mules to steal hundreds of millions of dollars a year. In this case, the money's already gone, but that isn't the end of the story. Acme Bank now knows Daniel's address, and they know that he's being used as a money mule. So they can add his address to their blacklist. So anytime Daniel tries to transfer money out of the country, even if it's this account or another account he opens at Acme Bank, they can stop that transfer. But do you think that's going to stop the criminals? Of course not. They will contact Daniel, ask him to open an account at another financial institution, and start this cycle all over again. It's because mules are recyclable in this way that criminals made over $500 million last year in the US alone. The problem is the criminals work together, but the banks work alone. SilverTail has a way to combat this. It's our Federation service. Federation is collaborative fraud protection. When one institution in our network becomes aware of a threat, all of our customers are protected. So let's see how this works. Because Acme federates their blacklist through SilverTail's Federation program, we can switch hats and look at this from another perspective. A new bank, ST Financial. Now, ST Financial's fraud analyst has already put a rule into SilverTail's mitigation product, this rule looks a little bit complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. When somebody goes to confirm their address, the rule will determine if the address it's seeing is on the list of known money mules for all of SilverTail's customers. In the case that it is on the list of known money mules, the rule will require the user to contact customer support and will not let the transfer go through. Because all of our customers put money mules into our federation system, this rule protects all of our customers from mules identified anywhere within our network. So let's get back to the story. Daniel was asked to open a new account. He went to ST Financial and he opened an account. And so he's going to go to transfer money to the criminals again. He notices that the money has been transferred into his account. He enters the account number and the routing number for which to transfer the money, and he's going to transfer $9,500. So he hits submit, and then just like at Acme, ST Financial requires him to enter his address. So he enters his address. And there we go. Mitigation has stopped him from transferring the money out of his account. Because Acme knew of his address, ST Financial was protected from losing $10,000. Imagine the cumulative savings if this is just one transaction. In summary, Federation is the perfect addition to our other products. It extends protection beyond individual banks and creates collaborative fraud protection. If you want to learn more about our Federation product, or if you want to hear what happened to Daniel, he was a real person, please come see us. Thank you.